Areas of regular polygons and composite figures. Lesson 11.4. To find the area of a regular polygon, first of all, regular means that all the sides on the polygon are equal and all the angles are equal. The term we haven't studied yet would be apothem, and the apothem goes from the center of the polygon to the opposite side, or one of the opposite sides, perpendicular, and that's the length of that is called the apothem. And remember, it divides the side in half. Since it's a regular polygon, all the sides are equal, and we're going to let n stand for the number of sides and s stand for the length of the side. And the perimeter then would be the number of sides times the length. And our area formula would be 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. So this is the easiest one to use. You can use either one, but if we calculate the perimeter first, it'll make it easier. So in this first picture, we have the number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of the side is 3, and the apothem is 2.1. So the perimeter would be 5 times 3, which equals 15 centimeters. And the area would be 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. That would give us 15.75 centimeters squared. In the second problem, we have the number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the length of the side is 7. The apothem is 7.3. The perimeter would be 7 times 7, which is 49 centimeters. The area would be 1/2 times the apothem, which is 7.3, times the perimeter, which is 49. So the area would be 178.85 centimeters squared. This one we're told that the length of the side is 12. The number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. We don't know what the apothem is. The perimeter would be 7 times 12, which gives us 84 inches. To find the apothem, we're going to use the area formula. So area equals 1/2 A times the perimeter. So we're given that the area is 423.26 equals 1/2 A times 84. So 523.26 equals 84 divided by 2 is 42A. Divide both sides by 42. And we have that the apothem is 12.46 inches. To find the area of a composite figure, we're going to look at figures so we can form out of parts of it. So if we look at the two ends here, we would have one circle. Add to it the rectangle, and then we would add to it the triangle. Looking at the different area formulas, we have the circle is pi r squared, the rectangle would be base times height, and the triangle would be 1/2 base times height. Well, if the diameter of the circle here is 16, then the radius would be 8. The rectangle would be 32 times 16. And then the triangle would have a base here of 32 and a height of 15. So we're going to have 64 pi plus 32 times 16 is 512 plus, I have the radius there is 8, plus 1/2 of 32 times 15 plus 240, which would give us 64 pi plus 752. So the area is approximately 953.1 feet squared. And that concludes our lesson for the areas of polygons and composite figures.